Hello, welcome to WellLab, the Fab Lab of Lomé, and the space that welcomes Jerry Project. Okay, my name is Boris Alare, a student in University of Lomé and a member of WellLab Lomé. So, Jerry, we have known Jerry via a member of WellLab that has attended a meeting, a forum organized by Africa last year. So the Jerican Togo community was born on 25th May 2013. So since the creation of this community, we have held many workshops. First, we have held this workshop with students of high school, senior school, and after that, we have also organized some, I can say, two workshops with students of EZIO, which is architectural schools in Mali. And the last one, the last workshop we have organized also was held with, or has been held with children from 6 to 10 years old, and it has been also a great success for Jerry Project. And as our vision, we have many visions. But before that, I can talk about Jerry usefulness in our communities. So first, it helps to avoid, to resolve or to answer a problem of getting computers in our communities in Africa, because we know that it is very difficult for people to have their own computers. So Jerry comes to help people getting their own computers and being also their own manufacturer, their own designers of their computers. And after that also we can talk about recycling, because with Jerry is a computer made with recycled materials. So Jerry come also to make, I can say, recycling also in Africa. And for Jerrycan Togo vision, you can say that we have many vision, we have many projects. First, to get people population known about Jerry, to also provide schools and orphanage with Jerry in order to help children get a free and quick access to computers and be very close to them. Uh, talking about international vision or international actions, we have contributed, or we are in a sense the pioneers of Jericho Mali, which has been, which was born last time. So we have many vision, and we need a great support from the international communities and also organizations and people that's willing to help us. So in fact, we are also getting this opportunity to make a call for all people, those who want to to help us, to provide us materials, recycling computers, and so on. So thank you very much, Jerry. Let's do it together, and then so do it yourself.